Hello friends, in this video I will show how to enable drag option in Excel. So open Microsoft Excel. Now here click on options, then advanced, and make sure this box enable fill handle and cell drag and drop is activate. So if this box is not selected, so select it, then also select alert before overwriting cells. So just guys, you need to check this box to enable fill handle and cell drag and drop. If it's not selected, so you will face this problem. You will be not able to drag and drop formula. So just select it, then click on OK. So thanks for watching guys, and comment on this video useful for you.